And we're gonna light it up with our match. Now we have a nice big roaring fire here. Okay, and this is good because we can now put our big soup pot on. So you can just imagine you have an enormous one in the center of your circle there. Okay, and before we start, we'll put some water in and we'll let it start to boil. Okay, let's put the water in. Shh. Like that. Okay, we'll add some salt and some pepper and some nice seasoning. And then you need your knife. Do you have your knife? And the first thing we're going to chop is an onion. Okay? So pretend you have your chopping board right in front of you. Okay? And we're going to go like this. Oh, if you're sitting in a chair, you can maybe use your other hand as a chopping board. Okay? So you put your onion on your chopping board and you go like this. Chop, chop, choppity chop. Chop off the bottom and chop off the top. What we have left we will put in the pot. Chop, chop, choppity chop. And you put all of those onions into your nice boiling pot. Okay? Next, I think we should mince some garlic. So we're going to mince it really tiny. Yeah? Have you seen what a bulb of garlic looks like? And then when you open it up, you have these cloves. See? These are quite big. So we're going to chop our cloves of garlic. Again, you can put it on your chopping board. Okay? Maybe we need like a little knife this time because this is kind of small. Okay? And we'll whisper. Ready. Chop, chop, choppity chop. Chop off the bottom and chop off the top. What we have left we will put in the pot. Chop, chop, choppity chop. Okay. We put all the garlic in there. Okay. And I should say, if you're not allowed to say this rhyme in your classroom at the moment, you can just do the actions with me. And when you go home, hopefully you remember it. And you can even watch this video at home again if you want, because it's on YouTube. Okay? And your teacher can help you know how to find it. Now, next, let's do what is this? A carrot. So can you get a big carrot and put it on your chopping block? And carrots kind of take a bit of strength to cut through because they're quite crunchy. So let's get a big knife this time. And we're going to go like this. Ready? Chop, chop, choppity chop. Chop off the bottom and chop off the top. What we have left we will put in the pot. Chop, chop, choppity chop. And we'll put all that carrot in there. Ooh, we've got a leek. We have to put this one in. So we're going to put some leek on our chopping board. And we go ready, steady, off we go. Chop, chop, choppity chop. Chop off the bottom and chop off the top. What we have left we will put in the pot. Chop, chop, choppity chop. And we put that in our pot. We give everything a nice big stir. Now we need our pumpkin, right? We've got our pumpkin here. Get all ready to get that chopped. Oh my goodness! This must be my pumpkin leftover from Halloween. So we get some pumpkin. Now this is really big, right? We need a big chopping board for this. So imagine you've got a nice big one and you get your biggest knife possible and you go ready, steady, off we go. Chop, chop, choppity chop. Chop off the bottom and chop off the top. What we have left we will put in the pot. Chop, chop, choppity chop. And we put all of that chopped pumpkin into our pot. And we give it a good stir. We say stir it round, then we'll see what we have found. And you get out your bowl. You get out your bowls. This is such a big pot of soup, it should feed everybody. And you ladle some out into your bowl. Very carefully, don't burn yourself. And you get a spoon. You can have a nice yummy bowl of pumpkin soup around the fire. So cozy. So you guys can practice that one in class. You can make your own pots of soup. Okay, bye.